Do you want to create those information products, but you're a better speaker than you are a writer? Here's my tip for you. Hi, I'm Gail Knott, business coach for mompreneurs, and I help moms create full-time profit from their part-time businesses. So if you're a better speaker than you are a writer, you can still create those information products. Yes, you can create video products, but you could also download the free transcripts that YouTube provides after you upload a video. Let me show you how to do that. The first step you'll want to do is upload your video. And from the YouTube homepage, you can click on the camera on the top right-hand corner and click on Upload Video. Now my video is already uploaded, so I'm going to go, I clicked on my avatar in the top right and click on your channel and then click on YouTube Studio. Click on Videos on the left. And this is the video that I want the transcript from, so I will click on Edit or Details, and clicking on this pencil icon will get me to the details. Next, go to More Options, and down here, now I have a plugin called TubeBuddy, which presets all of my specifications for how I want this video set up. So if you haven't already set that up, it will ask you, or it won't ask you. You have to click on the drop down to select English. Once you select your video language, then you can download the English YouTube captions that are automatically created by YouTube. So I clicked on this little menu with the 3 vertical dots, click on Download, and now I've downloaded my captions.sbv. To open that, on a PC you'll use the Notes app or Notepad app, and you can drag and drop it or just open it. And now you see your automated text or transcript from your video with timestamps. Now the only thing you have to do here is edit it. So you could delete all these timestamps and start editing the text here. This is also something that you can easily outsource to your assistant as well. From here you'll have the beginning of an ebook, a blog post, or a workbook, just by repurposing the content that you've already created. If you like more tips like this one, please subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. Hit the like button and hit the bell notification button to get notified of my next video. And if you'd like more free tips on turning your part-time business into full-time profit, check out our free mastermind group for mompreneurs. Just look at the description below for the link.